definitely not here, but a place where she feels free.
Yes, we cannot compromise on that.
See, we did not have all the facilities while growing up, so I would want my child to have everything that is required for her all-round development. Really? Last time he did find a place. But that was more for him than for us. Sometimes he forgets he has a family now.
Okay, so the property that I found is in Joka by Godrej Properties, called Godrej 7.
Godrej?
You serious? And 7 money?
7 Mane, 7 avenues for our child to experience all-round development.
So you are saying our child will not be restricted to school and the 4 walls of this house?
Yes. So apart from studies, she will learn something new every day.
And what about the things she loves doing? You know how much she loves singing and dancing.
What if I tell you that at Godrej 7, there are singing, dancing, painting and tabla classes inside the complex?
Khub bhalo. Appu will love this. Hey, we are planning to have a second child. What if he or she is interested in sports? What do we do then?
I have never thought of that.
Told you. He will never think it through.
How about a half Olympic sized swimming pool, a badminton court, a futsal court, and a table tennis room? Is that enough?
Be serious. Stop pulling my leg.
That's not all. Godrej 7 provides champions training to all the kids in the sport that they desire. You never know, our child can become a professional sports person.
I feel like I'm dreaming.
There is a lot more to come.
Really?
Do you remember how much Appu loves eating Chinese and biryani?
Now you'll tell me we don't have to go out to eat them?
Yes. Now she doesn't have to travel too far to eat her favorite food.
I can't wait to see Appu's expressions after seeing all this. But you know, I also feel this place will spoil her.
How?
Arey, you know na. Each time she overeats these things, she immediately falls ill. If we move to Godrej 7, our family doctor cannot move here with us. It's okay. It can't have everything. We can adjust.
We don't have to. At Godrej 7, there is 24/7 medical facility for all the residents. What more can you ask for?
You know, I know I'm being demanding, but is there anything more?
Yes. At Godrej 7, there is a library with a vast collection of children's books where Appu can spend hours and hours reading her favorite books. There is also a play school.
So, Appu has everything she needs. What about us?
For us, there is an ATM, a convenience store, a laundry service, a dedicated concierge service. You like it?
Like it? I love it. I mean, we don't ever have to go out of this complex. But what about Appu? She has to step outside every day to go to school.
Godrej 7 has taken care of that too by providing all the facilities inside the vicinity, like Ola, shuttle bus services, a dedicated travel help desk, and they also have golf cart shuttle services for traveling within the vicinity.
Wow. You know, it's not always such a good thing to have everything under one roof. Thieves and mischief makers will definitely eye this locality.
That we don't have to worry about. At Godrej 7, there are CCTV cameras installed at every corner of the complex. Also, RFID boom barriers at the complex gate. Our Appu is in safe hands. They are also providing video door phones to every home.
I don't know what to say. I just have one last question.
Please don't ask me if there's an airport inside.
No, I just want to know, when are we booking?
Right now.